Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix this EA account is restricted from accessing any online features error on your EAFC24. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss an important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So what you can do first is to regain access to online features. So you can open the Steam desktop app. So start by launching the Steam desktop app, and so this app is pivotal in managing your game library and addressing issues related to game access. And you can locate the EAFC24 in your game library. So navigate through your game library within the app and find EAFC24. This step is crucial to access the game specific options and settings. And you can also try and access the EA Sports FC24 tab. So once you locate the EF FC24, go to the EA Sports FC24 tab. Here you will find various options related to the game, including those can help resolve restrictions. And lastly, just redeem the Ultimate Edition content. So in the EA Sports FC24 tab, look for the Redeem Ultimate Edition content. And claiming this position is essential to regain access to all online features and to stop receiving the restriction message. And then next is you can contact EA customer support. So just reach out to the EA customer support immediately to understand the specific reason behind the restriction and to initiate the resolution process. So the support team can provide insights and guide users on the necessary steps to lift the restrictions. And then next is to review and secure your account. So examine recent account activities to detect any unauthorized access or suspicious transactions, to change your password and enable two-factor authentication to enhance your account security. And then you can also address any violation. So if the restriction is due to the violation of EA terms of service or user agreements, address the violation by adhering to the guidelines provided by the EA support. So this may include resolving any outstanding issues or disputes related to the account. And you can also try and resolve payment issues. So there are any unresolved payment issues or disputes, resolve them promptly by clearing any pending payments and ensuring the payment information is accurate and up to date. So that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great